Hi, this is Pranjal Arts, the Managing Director of Pranjal Arts, and today I'm going to tell you about why exactly we have Pranjal Arts in this world. I was born and brought up surrounded with culture and art, living in a city like Gwalior, which is at the heart of India, in the tip of Madhya Pradesh. Then having studied in the most cultural institutes of the world, Mayo College Girls' School in Ajmer, where we were nourished and trained in the traditions of India. After Mayo College Girls' School, when I went to Bombay, I saw in Narsi Monji surrounded with people with aspirations of getting into the corporate, running after the money, CAs and CS, who did not see yet the value that art can bring into their lives. And slowly I realized that the same way after boarding school, this reality hit of the society, that across the country we are still so much in a need of recognizing that why is art education or having art in our lives so important. I'm not just talking in terms of individuals who have money to just invest in art. I'm talking about just bringing the art into our lives through workshops, through going for a theater show, by going to a museum in the country, taking our families there, and not just as compulsory school visits once in a year. While working at Dr. Bhavdaji Lal Museum also, I realized that so many people in the country still don't know what does a Sangrahalaya do. At the same time, we are talking about government interventions through policy. We are talking about recognizing that what is creative industries and how will creative economy impact India's economy if we start taking the creative seriously. There's a whole industry out there, and film industry, fashion industry has only recently been allowed to take it seriously in terms of textile industry, in terms of media and broadcast sector. But there's so much which we still need to tap into, like the crafts of India, like the folk art bit, like Indian classical dance, recognizing that fusion is a part of the development that's happening. I'm very excited to talk to you about the blog of Pranjal Arts, which is going to explore some of these topics and also take you through this journey of creativity. I hope you can follow Pranjal Arts on at pranjal.arts on Instagram, and on Facebook, Twitter, you can follow it as Pranjal Arts.